Hi, my name is Zenelia Harris, and I'm from Harris & Harris Wealth Management. And I wanted to come to you today to talk to you more about another topic for my Finance and Stilettos blog. And let's talk about the volatility that's going on in the market. We've seen the market go from a major low and increase to almost a major high in 2 days. So I'm sure you're very alarmed, your emotions are all over the place, and you're very concerned about what's going on with your portfolio. I completely understand. I think that what the media does is just drive our emotion. It gets us totally irrational about what we need to do with our money. And I'm just here to tell you that you need to focus on what it is that you need to do and become more rational. Take some of the emotion out of it. Maybe even turn off the news because it's doing its job. It's affecting you and it's allowing you to make irrational decisions. So I want to encourage you to sit back and just go through and think about what it is that you're trying to achieve financially. Look at your portfolios. Maybe you do need to make some changes, but do it from a rational place, not an emotional place. The market is doing what it does. It goes up and it goes down. At the end of the day, what we're looking for is that by the time you look at it the goings, ups and downs of the market, at the end of the day, what you're hoping for is that it ends up higher than where it began. And I think a lot of times we don't focus on that. We focus on the day-to-day because of what we're hearing in the media. But let me just note that the media only focuses on the negative. So when the market actually performs well, we hardly ever hear any news about that. That's a blur. And then they focus on something else that's negative. So again, it just gets you all emotional. But I want to just tell you that you need to take a rational approach to evaluating your portfolio. Don't make sudden moves just because the market is doing what it does. It has been doing what it does every year because the economy, different news stories will affect it. That's natural. But at the end of the day, we need to focus on whether it ends up higher than where it began. And that's how you determine whether or not it's going to help you achieve your goals. As I think about the volatility that's going on with the market, my mind turns to a book that I have, which was written by or about Warren Buffett, and it's called The Warren Buffett Way. And he indicated 4 things that we should focus on. Well, one thing that he indicates is to turn off the TV and not pay attention to the stock market. The second thing is to not get so caught up in all of the day-to-day happenings of the economy, to buy good companies or good businesses. Okay, so not focusing on the latest and the greatest thing that you're hearing out there, but focusing on good, solid, fundamental companies that are good businesses. And then manage your this portfolio of businesses. And I think those four things will help you to better handle your portfolio. So I'm going to go through them one more time. Turn off the TV. Stop paying attention to the day-to-day happenings of the market. Don't get caught up in the economy. Buy good businesses and manage a portfolio of good businesses. I think those 4 key things will help you to take some of the emotion out of what's going on with the volatility that's happening in the market. Thank you so much.